Are you trying to use the neural filter and you see it's not enabled? In this video, I'll be sharing with you how to resolve this issue in few simple steps. Step 1, you have to sign in into the Adobe Creative Cloud. So head over to help and click on the sign in. So over here we have the Adobe sign in form, or you can also create an account if you don't have an account with Adobe. So I have an account, I have to just sign in into my Adobe account. Click on continue, paste in your password and click on continue. Secondary email, I don't need that, not now. So wait for it to actually synchronize with our Adobe Photoshop. So if I head over here to help, you can see that my email is actually signed in. Okay, that is the first step. So after you're done with that, you close the Adobe Photoshop program. So the step 2 has to do with you opening your file explorer and heading over to your internal storage over here, which is the local disk C. So I'll open this and create a new folder, and I'll call this temp. Make sure this is typed in capital letters to be precise. Okay, so after I'm done with this, I'll close the file explorer and hit the window key and type in this particular keyword, edit. Okay, and make sure you select edit the system environment variables. Click on it. So over here on this prompt of the system variables, make sure you are currently on the advanced. Head over to environment variables. Please ensure that OneDrive is actually selected over here and scroll down over here and make sure you select the temp over here. Make sure temp is selected. Head over to edit, click on browse directory and select your PC, okay, and track down your local drive, okay, and track down the folder we created in the local disk. Click on the OK button. Afterward, click on the OK afterwards. So you select the next file here called TMP over here. Click on edit, select your browse editory and scroll down to your PC, head over to your local disk, okay, and select the same folder we just created. Click on the OK button and click on OK. Afterwards, click on the OK over here and finally click on OK. So the next thing that you are expected to do is to open the Adobe program by launching the Photoshop. Okay, so here you can see that we are currently signed in into our creative storage, and you can see this is the capacity of the creative storage. So I'll open the project over here. Okay, so I'll select an image layer here, head over to filter, head over to neural filters to be precise, which is actually enabled right now, and select any filter of your choice that you like to install. Click on download and it will start installing into your PC, guys. So guys, if you follow this step and it didn't work for you, do well to restart your PC and the changes might take place immediately after you restart the PC. Please, if you do find this video helpful, do well to like, comment and share with other creatives around you. If you're new to the channel, do well to smash the subscribe button and turn on the post notification bell. For returning subscribers, guys, thank you for always watching and see you in the next.